Hello friends, this is Ajmal. As we are witnessing life quotes, um, today also a wonderful life quote is waiting for you. Come, let's see what's the quote waiting for us. In life, we all have an unspeakable secret, an irreversible regret, and an unreachable dream, and an unforgettable love. Oh, what this words trying to convey us? If you think what this words trying to convey or what this coming to tell us, in life we all have an unspeakable secret. You can't say this secret to anyone because that's a secret. More important, what is a secret is it should be within you. You should not say it to anyone, or you should not pass that vibration to anyone. That is a secret. That should be within you. So that's the real secret. And every one of us will be having that unspeakable secret within us, an irreversible regret. So, regret. So, showing gratitude or showing gratefulness to what we have, that is another dimension of life. But the truth is, you can't show your gratitude, or you can't pay back your gratitude to someone. Sorry, pay back your gratitude uh, for someone who has been helped you in your tough times. You can't give anything for that. That is worth thousand times bigger in your life. That will be a very big regret. So we all have that irreversible regret within us in our life. An unreachable dream. What is unreachable dream? We always speak that dreams are reachable, dreams are achievable, and here what is unreachable dream? So we all think, or we all have a thought that I have to achieve this in my life, I have to reach this in my life, I have that dream, I have the dream car, dream house, dream partner, whatsoever. But an unreachable dream, what is that unreachable? You can't make it. That's in reality, you can't make that. That's that unreachable dream. We all have that. There is no other thought or second opinion in that this word. That's the truth. That's an unreachable dream. Think about it and think why it is unreachable. That's life. That's the secret of life. And unforgettable love. This word's unforgettable love. This word, yeah, that's true. Unforgettable love is not only about a person. It may be about a product or a thing which we left in this world, because it may be a plant, it may be a doll, it may be a toy, or whatsoever, materialistic, or it may be humankind, whatsoever, nature kind, whatsoever, a place, everything. We may love a place in our childhood. We may be missing that place. We can't go back to that place. That's also a form of love. So unforgettable love. If you think of a particular matter which has been not existing in you or existing in your life, if you're thinking again and again and again, it's an unforgettable love. So we all have that in our life. That's true. So these words and these things what we spoke today will be very much useful to you. I hope so. So thank you, gentlemen, for this wonderful time, for spending your wonderful time for watching this video. I hope this will be very much useful to you. If it's so, do like and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more videos. Thank you friends, this is Ajmal signing off. Have a wonderful day.